The overall advice is to try and get down to the raw data as often as possible. Anything where you're actually performing a calculation, a ratio, or even just a percentage can hide some of the data. Why not just count the number of patients? You may get a different view. So in the example here, this first chart looks at the percentage of people waiting in accident emergency more than 8 hours. And you look at it and it's almost 100% all of the time. So what's the issue? What's the problem? And this sort of data presentation doesn't motivate anybody to do anything and doesn't motivate change. However, if you change the view and count the number of patients that are waiting more than 8 hours, then you see that you have more than 100 on some occasions. And then it drops close to 0 on others. So what's happening? From the patient's point of view, they don't really care about percentages. They care about how long they're going to have to wait. And is it really acceptable to have 100 patients waiting in accident emergency more than 8 hours? You may need to have several charts to give you a complete system view. And some of those charts, at least, should be the raw data. And they shouldn't all just be percentages and ratios.